Hi friends, today we will show you the demonstration of Zanussi integrated fully automatic washing machine. So this is a integrated model of the washing machine. As you can see, this is front loading and there are different buttons here which we will now demonstrate to you. So first of all, this is the power on off button. You just have to press this button once. Then next step is to open the front loading door, and this is the drum in which you will put in the dirty clothes. This is the drum and these are the cycle options which you can use based on the type of clothes you are putting for wash. So let's turn on the machine. So this is the first cycle, Eco 40 to 60, in which the temperature, as you can see, is automatically set at 40 degree. Then if you have loads of cottons in the clothes that you want to wash, so then you will put the cycle to cottons, and as you can see, this is the timer which shows it will take 2 hours 46 minutes cycle. This is for synthetics. Similarly, different type of clothes like delicates, as you can see, the temperature goes down automatically and the cycle time is reduced to 55 minutes. Woolen, if you want to wash it, do it. If you just want to spin and drain and do not want to wash, which is a cycle we hardly use. If you just want to rinse, if you want to clean the machine, it will automatically get cleaned. You can put some soap in. If you have a very small load of 3 kg and you want a very quick wash of 20 minutes, I rarely use it unless the clothes are like not at all dirty. Sportswear, outdoor, denim, you can see the timing is changing as you change the cycle. Non-stop 60 minutes. So friends, this non-stop 60 minutes which washes and dries the clothes at 30 degree and for 1 hour is the best cycle. This is the one I typically use and would recommend for washing all types of clothes. And the best part amongst this is that it automatically dries as well, because if you put denim, as you can see, the drying mode is off, so you'll have to dry separately. So I typically use this. This is fastest in terms of washing and drying, and I get really well dried clothes in this, which is a good thing. So I would recommend you guys to use this. If you put the machine to any other cycle except the non-stop 60 minutes, for example, if you set it to cottons, you will see the temperature is set at 40 and the wash cycle is set for 2 hours 46 minutes. Remember, this is only wash. This will not dry the clothes. If you want to set both the cycles together, you have to click on dry, but this will increase the time to 6 hours. If you instead want to wash the clothes first for 2 hours 46 minutes, then you will have to set another dry cycle, which you can set by clicking twice on the mode, and then you see the 2 hours 22 minutes for drying. This is how you can separately wash and dry the clothes. Okay, so next step, we'll put the dirty clothes and then put the soap. What we have done now is filled the drum with all the dirty clothes. And again, you have to be careful when you are filling the clothes. The maximum capacity for this model is 7 kg, and the clothes should not be stuck in the rubber outline here, because then it can get torn. So just be careful that once you put the clothes, you just push them a bit. Now in terms of soap, so either you can use a capsule form of detergent and just throw it in the drum along with the clothes. Either that one is an option, or what I am doing right now is, let me first close the door. So this is the door, you just close it like this. Okay. And I have put the cycle, as I showed you, to non-stop 60 minutes, which is for 1 hour cycle. I'm not, and this is the power button to turn on the cycle, but I'm not turning it on yet because I have to first put in the soap. So this is where you can see here is written Zanussi is the soap dispenser. Let's pull it out. You have to gently pull it out like this, and this is where you put in the detergent like this. This is the dry powder detergent. If it is a capsule, you have to put it in the drum. Remember, do not put the capsule here, it goes in the drum. And this is in case you want to add a softener, liquid, and this is for the powder. And this is in case the clothes are like really dirty and you want to pre-wash them. But my clothes are like pretty normal, so I'll just put them in the wash soap section. So this is the detergent I have put in. Now I just close it. This is closed. The cycle is set, the clothes are in. So what next is to turn on the cycle. And this is the button, see, the one with the triangle on the right. Let's just press it. This key symbol shows that the door is locked, and because the cycle is on, you can't open the door now. And once the cycle is off, it will give a bell, and then the key symbol will go off, which will tell you the door is ready to open, cycle is complete. You can take out the clothes and turn off the machine. You can see the cycle has started, the clothes are getting washed, and we will now show you after 1 hour how the clothes come out clean. So the cycle is now complete. As you can see, we will now turn off the machine cycle and power off. Now we will show you how the washed clothes look. Let's open the door. I can see a lot of steam coming out because the clothes are already dry. So the clothes are dried, as you can see. There's like steam emanating, they are that hot, and now I'll just get to dry them. So friends, this was the demo of the Zanussi fully integrated automatic washing machine, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.